Alright guys, come go with us to Home Depot. This video will be about me. I know 0 things about lawnmower, and we're gonna go buy a lawnmower and then try to do the yard, okay? Let's go to Home Depot and buy a lawnmower together. Looking for lawnmowers. There they are.
What do you think? We found one that was $2.99 versus $1,000, and I think this is only at Home Depot. So look at that one. Let's keep going just to see the comparison real quick. All right, this one says $3.99. All right, note to self: do your research before you get here. All right. $5.99 for, so it's apparent, guys, that we're looking for a lawnmower based on price. This one's $3.99. It says new. Is it gas? Oh, it's gas. How do we get gas? We gotta go to a gas station? I don't know how to do that. This one says $3.49. It's gas too. What the shit? Okay, let's narrow it down. Let's just do one that plugs in. Electric. I'm gonna go with RYOBI. It's $2.99. Not sure that's a sale or not. It's $60. No, $30 off. It's regular $3.29. Let's try it then, babe.
All right, we decided to go with the self-propel. I'm hoping that it's $3.99. So $2.99, $3.99. I got confused because one of the signs said $4.29. I think it's $3.99. Okay, let's try it. Anybody know what propelled mean? Okay. We finally made it home. Let me insert pictures of us trying to get it into the car. We had to take everything out the back seat because it's more rectangular, and put it in the back seat across the whole SUV. And now, before I pop it open, I'm gonna try to read directions this time, or watch a video and try to assemble it myself. Rain is coming, so my friend said we should try to mow today. So let's give it a try. Okay, we found this guy's YouTube channel.
Released nearly 2 years ago.
All right, we found another video
best-selling
that assembles, so we're gonna watch this one.
It emerges.
All right, let's look for the battery because it takes 2 hours. The video said it takes 2 hours. There's a battery right there. Is that it right there? Yeah. And then that's the charger. So let's look for that little bitty box right there. And he said the battery's in that box. Remember? All right, let's plug that up. Guys, this is how it looks when it comes. All right, here's how the battery looks. That looks heavy. Okay, so we're assuming this is how you plug it up. Okay. Alright. I think that's like the side thing, and then the back piece. Yeah, I saw him lift the whole thing up. Oh, wow. Okay. All right, we're going to try to pull her out. Okay, pull your box back. Okay, pull the box back. I got it. I'm holding it. This video should be about what not to do. The handle was already assembled. That part's good. Maybe take the plastic off. Nope, it's empty. Okay. Does it snap back? You okay? Did it get your hand?
Nope.
Okay. turn it over and see if there's anything blocking it. Flip it to the side, maybe. Nope, it's just the propeller. Okay, you can put it down, there's nothing blocking it. All right, so we'll just wait for the battery to charge and then we'll go outside and push it, right? All right, guys, we're gonna try to put the bag on so that when we go outside, you can see, you know. We're back in the house watching videos on how to put the bag on.
So you have to open it up.
You slide this wire in. All right, guys, we got it. You slide this piece like this inside, and this bracket go under on top, and then you hook this right here in the middle like that, honey. And then you go all the way and hook them all the way around. And then here's the back. You literally just pick this up, and it snaps right on. Snap it on. You have to pull it kind of to make it tight, but it snaps right on. Okay, we finally got it attached to that wire piece. Put the rubber around the wire edges. And now he's gonna snap it on. Oh, so you're just gonna set it on top. Okay. The lawnmower is practically pre-assembled. Now this one is charging. You can hear like a fan going, and I'm assuming when it gets here, we'll be ready to try it. I heard the fan cut off, but it's still blinking, and I don't show all of them, but just wanted to give you guys an update. It's been about an hour. So it cut off on its own. I'm assuming it's done, so we're gonna try it. The battery is ready, and I think he... Oh, it's this side they said. This one say battery storage, so that must be where it goes. Oh, it worked. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. All right, so here's the catch. You have to hold the green bar back, hit the button, and then hold the green at the same time. Look, it's on minimum. Go to max. And now come back. Also, don't let your grass get as high as ours before it starts to work, because I think that's one of our problems. Okay, guys. There is the lawnmower. It did not do the grass. So I think because our grass was so old and had not been mowed all year or whatever, but the lawnmower did not tackle it. Here are the pieces, how it looks. It was stopped mowing when I got here, so I don't know what to do. I gotta figure it out, but that's our review for the RYOBI. All right, guys, I'm gonna try it again and see if I can get it to work. All right, to close out this video, here's the grass. I did mow it. It did work this time. I don't know what I did different. I did increase the speed on the machine, so it walked really faster, but it also cut really faster. So the machine does work. It is probably dependent on the user. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in our next video.